happy Christmas Eve if you celebrate Christmas at all. I'm decorating my table at the moment and I want to take you guys along. I just want to show you how I do my last minute put together a table type of thing for Christmas Eve, and I want to take you guys along. This is what my dining area currently looks like. There are Mr. Price Home plastic bags and then also Chinatown, because I went to Chinatown yesterday. I've just started removing things, my PC being one of them that stays over here. I just wanted to show you the area before we actually start with anything. What I'm going to do is actually wax this table as well. So I'm going to be adding these at the center of my table as a runner. I wanted a runner, an actual runner underneath. Face is like in the background. I wanted to place a runner underneath these leaves, but I couldn't get one at Chinatown or at Mr. Price Home. My table is too long. We custom made this, myself and hubby. Well, it was actually his design. He did everything else. And he just got somebody to add the steel structure, the legs and everything else. In case you don't know how our table looks, this is what it looks like full on. It's very, very long. Very, very long. So my leaves kind of look real but kind of look fake. They look more real this side, I feel, than on this side, but we're gonna fix that. Once we add some candles and some decor to the table, you'll see it will all come alive. So to add some color to my leaves, I am simply going to add these. These are actually headbands. Some people use them for like bridesmaids and stuff like that. I'm going to add them in between my leaves as well as around my candles for deco. So let's see how that goes. And I chose this color because I just thought I don't want too much bright colors. It's a dinner, so I still wanted it to look warm. Is it working? Yes, no, yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah, I think I'll just add it to the orange candles only, because I don't want an overkill, you know what I mean? This is a view from the other side. Not too bad, I think it's coming together. So I got this from Chinatown, and these will be serving as my, what do you call it, placemats? Except I think they're called underplates. Yeah, I think I'll put this one at the end. I didn't see this one. It's a little damaged, so nobody will be sitting here, I think. These were 40 Rand each at Chinatown as well. For my fork and knives, I am going to be using these, which I will put the Instagram name on the screen. I got this as a gift from this Instagram boutique that sells these. They're really, really nice, high quality. I've never used them before, but they really look quite chic and they fit with my theme. My plates are actually going to be black, and I just think this fits the whole thing. So I'm going to rinse these and then come back. For my serviettes, I initially wanted to use these, which I got at Chinatown. I wanted like a cream color, but then I don't know, when I looked at them, I was like, oh, they look a bit too outdated, so to call it. They just look like something an older woman would use, not me. I'm not that old, so I didn't like them. I went to Mr. Price Home. I'm not going to return them though. I'm going to keep them. Instead, I got these at Mr. Price Home, which I really love. So I'll play around with patterns, but for now, I think I'll just do a simple pattern for the sake of this video. And maybe I'll insert a final picture if we do fold it up in a different shape. My sister's here, so she's gonna help me with folding all of these. Hey! In terms of plates, I went a little bolder than I usually would. I went for a black, but with speckles of like a deeper, darker black, which I quite like. I think it would go really well with this gold. I just felt like it's different. I'm not one for black plates, but I really love these. They are from Mr. Price and they're 50 Rand each, 50. So I like them. Let me know what you think down below. I don't know, it's new for me to go for like a black theme, but it still adds to the warmth of the table, and I thought it would actually look nice and chic. So this is what our napkins will be looking like. My little sister literally went on YouTube and checked out a few tutorials on different shapes of napkins. We loved this one, and now she's going to show us how she achieved this one. Honeys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching me decorate my Christmas Eve dinner table. I hope you did enjoy it. If I can still get a runner, I think I might. It does look a little, just a little bit, itchy, winty, nyana there. So there is the option of Chinatown, because I just realized the Chinese people don't celebrate Christmas, so they might just be open tomorrow. I don't know. But I don't really want to go out on Christmas. Either way, it's not a big deal. For next year, we'll do it bigger and better. You might have noticed that there are no glasses on the table as well. I haven't decided whether we're having champagne glasses or normal standard like juice, cool drink glasses. I don't know. We haven't decided yet. In fact, me and my sister still need to decide on the dessert menu. I hope you learned like a hint or two on like deco, but like I'm not an expert. This is how I think this would be perfect for my family. So yeah, do what you think would suit yours if you are somebody who likes to dibble and dabble in some deco. That is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Mwah.